how to delete your Facebook group. Okay, so from your main page, you want to get to your group account. So click on this drop down arrow and go to find groups. Okay, so on the left here where it says groups you manage, just click on the one that you manage, or the one, you may have a few, but just click on the one you want to delete permanently. Okay, once you've gotten there, on the left hand side it says members. Click on that. What you want to do is remove all the members first. So you want to remove the members. So you put in your password just to make sure that, then you submit. You're about to remove yourself from a group of admins. You say okay. Okay, once you've done that, you click on leave group. So either one, just click on leave group. And then what it will ask you is, are you sure you want to leave and it will mention the name of your group. As you're the last member, leaving now will also delete the group. This is the only way you can delete a group on Facebook. So click on the blue button that says leave and delete. And it says you have left this group. You're no longer a member of Woke Insight, and so forth. And it gives you some options. You can just click on close. And your group no longer exists, as you can see here on the top left hand corner.